Last week, we learned to bid slams when partner opens 1 no trump or 2 no trump, showing 15 to 17 or 20 to 21 high card points. These well-defined point ranges make it easier for a responder to know if we have game or slam. Today, we study how to find slam when partners make suit bids. Let's review from last week. For a suit slam to make, we need three things. Enough strength to take at least 12 tricks. One or more stoppers in each suit. We call these controls. Aces are first round controls, but so are voids. Kings are second round controls, but so are singletons. And lastly, we need an 8-card or longer trump fit. These controls prevent the opponents from taking two quick tricks and setting our slam. Let's explore these requirements by looking at an example. Partner opens 1 club, and we hold this 6, 14, 18, plus 2 length point hand and respond 1 heart. Partner raises to 2 hearts. What do we know about her hand? We know she has a minimum 12 to 15 point opener with 3 or more clubs and 4 hearts. Even if partner is on bottom of her point range with 12, add my 20 and we should be very close to slam. How about our trump fit? My 1 heart response promised only 4 hearts, so partner's raise also promises 4. But we have a 10-card trump fit. How about controls? I have all 4 aces. I can't see any reason not to bid 6 hearts right now. This is an example of bidding slam on sheer strength. It's similar to the 1 no trump, 6 no trump slams we studied last week. Sadly, most slams are not this obvious. Now let's show partner's hand. 13 points, 4 hearts, 4 clubs. From the bidding, our slam looked so solid, but let's count our losers. We're missing the heart king, and I have 1 diamond loser. Our shortest suit is diamonds, so it's the opponent's longest suit. It's likely the suit that will be led. Let's say they lead the diamond king, promising king queen. We have to win our ace right now and then hope we can find and capture the heart king. With a 10-card heart fit, missing the king, what's the right way to play this suit? Do you remember the phrase king, queen, jack, 10, 8, 6 that we learned several weeks ago? 10-card fit, missing the king, finesse. For this slam to make, the heart king needs to be in east. Slams bid on pure strength like this one look so obvious during the bidding, but they can surprise us when the opening lead is made and dummy appears. Maybe we need more information to make that go, no-go decision. Partner opens 1 spade, and we hold this 2, 9, 14, 19, plus 1 hand. Certainly enough strength to bid slam. Partner opened 1 spade, so she likely has the ace or king, and I have controls everywhere else. This slam looks like 6 no trump, so let's bid it. Of course, the opponents will lead a club, our shortest suit, so we have to take our ace on trick 1. Let's count our winners. I see 5 hearts, 4 diamonds, 1 club. That's 10 tricks. I need at least 2 winners in spades, and to get them, I have to knock out their ace. But once they win that ace, they will run clubs and set me a bunch. Clearly, slams based purely on strength aren't enough. Let's rebid these hands now better and not immediately blast to 6 no trump based purely on strength. Partner opens 1 spade. We bid 2 hearts. Partner raises to 3 hearts. Now, with a 20-point hand and partner opening, certainly we have enough to bid 6 hearts. West leads that same club king. We win our ace, full trump, ruff, club jack, play diamonds, and make our slam, losing only the spade ace. We got lucky because partner had the diamond ace. What if she didn't have it? Off 2 aces, down 1. So lots of points together with a big trump fit still aren't enough. We need a way to find out if partner has that missing diamond ace. Welcome to Blackwood for no trump. It's an ace-asking convention similar to Gerber that we learned last week. There are 2 versions of Blackwood, the original plus a better version, which we will call 1430. Let's take a minute to discuss regular Blackwood because that's what many of your friends use. For no trump asks partner for aces. Like with Gerber, the first step, 5 clubs, shows 0 or 4 aces. 5 diamonds shows 1. 5 hearts shows 2 aces. 5 spades shows 3. Holding all 4 aces, we can ask for kings by betting 5 no trump if we are interested in Grand Slam. Now let's discuss 1430. This version has several advantages over regular Blackwood. First, it treats the trump king as being equal to an ace. Maybe more important, it allows us to inquire if partner has the trump queen. Knowing if we have the ace, king, queen helps us decide whether to bid slam or stop at the 5 level. So our for no trump bid asks how many key cards partner has. There are 5 key cards, the 4 aces and the trump king. A 5 club response says I have 1 or 4 key cards. 5 diamonds says I have 3 or 0. 5 hearts says I have 2 key cards missing the trump queen, and 5 spades says I have 2 key cards with the trump queen. It sounds harder than it is. There's another version called 3014, which just reverses the 2 values for 5 clubs and 5 diamonds. Most people play 1430, but you will see 3014 occasionally. To make small slams at the 6 level, we need 4 of the 5 key cards. The key card suit is almost always the trump suit, the suit that was bid and raised. If no suit has been raised, then the last suit bid before for no trump becomes the key card suit. Let's rebid the last example. North, 1 spade. South, 2 hearts. North raises hearts. South asks for key cards with 4 no trump. North has 1 ace. That's 1 key card, so she bids 5 clubs. South with 3 key cards, so together we have 4. We're off 1 key card. We bid 6 hearts. It's the right slam. 2 losers, the spade ace and the club jack, but we can ruff the club jack. If North didn't have the diamond ace, she would have bid 5 diamonds, 0 or 3 key cards, and South, holding 3 key cards, knows that we're off 1 ace, so she stops in 5 hearts. Look at this example. North opens 1 spade. We have 4 card support and 5, 11, 19 plus 3 dummy points, 22 total. Should we jump to 6 spades right now? If we do, does 6 spades make? No. We're off 2 aces, ace of diamonds, ace of clubs. Sadly, even experienced players blast 6 spades on a big hand like this. Why do they do it? It's exciting. We call this being a gunslinger. What's the right way to bid this? 1 spade open. With a big responder hand, bid a new suit, 2 clubs. North rebids 2 spades, showing a minimum opener with 6 spades. Now ask for no trump, and we get a 1 key card reply. With only 3 key cards, we're off 2, so we stop in 5 spades, which makes. Here's another way we could bid this hand. With 22 points and at least a 9 card trump fit, bid for no trump immediately. We'll still get the 1 key card answer and still stop safely in 5 spades. Would you open this North hand 11 high card points plus 2 length? Yes, I think everyone opens this hand 1 spade. So what do we bid with the South hand? I count South as 3, 10 high card points plus 3 dummy points for the diamond singleton, so I'm a game-going hand. We've all been taught with a game-going hand with support, bet a new suit first, so that would be 2 clubs here. Partner rebids 2 spades, and I jump to 4 spades. West leads the heart ace. Let's count our losers. Probably no spade losers, 4 heart losers, but I can ruff 3 of them in dummy. No diamond losers, and no club losers. Only 1 loser. We bid 4 and made 6. There's a problem with standard American bidding. We have no game-forcing raise in Partners Major. We have to bid a new suit first, then jump to game. But we can't jump to game and bid for no trump at the same time. There are 3 possible solutions to this problem. Jacoby 2 no trump is one, splinter bids is another,
and play in 2/1 game force. All three of these bids are beyond the scope of this class, but learning them makes your slams much easier to bid. Maybe we can have a class on these conventions later this year. If we have all 5 key cards and enough strength for Grand Slam, we can ask for kings. There are 2 ways to answer. The first way is the old Blackwood way. Remember, regular Blackwood asks only for aces, so we have 4 kings to locate. 6 clubs shows none of them, 6 diamonds 1, 6 hearts 2, 6 spades 3, and 6 no trump shows all 4. Remaining kings is the other way. We already know about the trump king. It's one of the 5 key cards answered over partner's 4 no trump bid. So there are only 3 kings left to locate. 6 clubs shows none, 6 diamonds shows 1, 6 hearts shows 2, and 6 spades shows 3. This won't usually be a problem because the bids have the same meaning no matter which way you answer. Next week, we learn how to bid slams when we can't use 1430. It's called cue bidding slams. In your handout are homework hands to bid by yourself or better yet with your favorite partner.